asked him what the matter was, but I know that he don't talk. And the ladies treat me kindly and furnish me with tape, but neither them nor the rag man can help me to escape. Oh, mama, stuck in down in Mobile with the Memphis blues again. Now Shakespeare's in the alley with his pointed shoes and his bills. What now? Hey, it's gonna be very hard for me to do this on the harm. It's not too fast. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to get the harmonica in there, because we're gonna have to have a whole beat, and then the drum will be accented after that. If you can remember all the time. It's not kind of corny with the drum accented and then nothing, you know.
Kenny, don't forget those pickup notes when he says down in Mobile with the Memphis blues again.
And
on Memphis, you come in there with a pickup.
We could do it if we want to do it all the time now. Do. Okay. We should tone it down there too, you know, at the end. Why don't we play the harmonica when the harmonica comes down? Take it from there, okay? All right. 1, 2. Is that about right? Okay.
Here we go. 2 bars. 1, 2,
1. 3.
Huh? What happened? What is it again? Say it again. Okay. All right. All right.
All right, here we go.
3.
All right, 2 bars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, the rag man walks in circles. I'm sorry. Start again. That was too fast. You rolling, Bob?
Yeah, we're rolling on 6. Let's get it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, the rag man draws circles up and down.
Yeah, he's gonna have just
All ready?
He's gonna count it in.
Yeah, and everybody hit a groove this time. 7.
Just one chord, just one bang. Okay, no chord at all. I'm sorry.
He's just gonna take a vocal pickup. Oh, the bone. Okay. 1, 2. Ah, the
rag man draws circles.
Together.
Number 8.
Oh, the rag man. No. Oh, the rag man draws circles up and down the block. Ask him what was wrong, but I know he doesn't talk. And the ladies treat me kindly. They furnish me with tape, and neither them nor the rain man could help me to escape. Oh, mama, this might be the end. I'm stuck inside a mobile with the Memphis blues again. Oh, the rag man draws circles up and down the block. I'd ask him what the matter was, but I know he doesn't talk. And the ladies treat me kindly. They furnish me with supply. No, I'm sorry.